أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح حي على الفلاح الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله
إن الله كان عليكم رقيبا. أيها الأحباب, our respected brothers and fathers, sisters and mothers, glory and praise be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for allowing us to gather here on this blessed day of Jum'ah. Again, for allowing us to come here for the sole purpose of remembering Him subhanahu wa ta'ala. Indeed, Allah is the most merciful, most forgiving, most gracious, and most beneficial for every single one of us here. Those guided by Allah, none can misguide, and those misguided by Allah, none can guide. My brothers and sisters, we've come here once again on this day of Jum'ah so that we can redevelop a sense of fear for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so that we can make it to the next Jum'ah and continue so forth on building on to that sense of fear. Right, so every single day of the week till the next Jum'ah, it's very important you leave the masjid today with the rebuilt fear for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so that you may hold on to it. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make it easy for all of us. Allahumma ameen.